Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function context and data modeling. Let's solve it together. A technology startup's valuation increases each year as it grows. Select the function that best describes this growth. T is in years, 0 through 4, and V of T is the valuation in $1 million. So, to solve this type of questions, the best strategy that you can do is just substituting the values for T and look for their equivalents. So, we're going to start substituting 0 for T and we're going to look for 1. So when I substitute 0 for T, do I get 1 in choice A? 0.5 times 0 plus 1 is, 1. And 1.5 to the power of 1 is, 0 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. And to the power of 0 is 1, still 1. 1.5 times 0 is 0, so we can go ahead and eliminate choice D. And now we're going to substitute value of 1. So when I substitute value of 1, 0.5 times, first of all, what we're supposed to get? When you substitute 1, we're looking for value of 1.5. So 0.5 times 1 is 0.5 plus 1 is 1.5. And 1.5 to the power of 1 times 1 is 1.5. To the power of 1 is 2. Times 1 is 2. Therefore, we can go ahead and eliminate the choice C. And now we're going to substitute value of 2. And when we substitute 2, we're supposed to get 2.25. So 0.5 times 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, which is not 225. Therefore, we can eliminate the choice E. And 1.5 to the power of 2 is 225 times 1 is 225. So therefore the correct answer is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.